The next step on your journey to recovery from injury is our biomechanical assessment. Our biomechanical assessment is carried out to determine how your body moves in terms of strength, movement control, and flexibility. It also allows us to find the factors that caused your injury in the first place. The biomechanical assessment includes a number of physical tests and measures to identify any weakness, lack of mobility, and muscle imbalance. It will be personally tailored to you. We will take into account your diagnosis, ability, and most importantly, your individualized goals. At the end of the assessment, you will be given a copy of the report with an explanation of any findings, as well as a summary of the important things to work on. From the results gathered, we will have the detailed information we need to design your customized rehabilitation and performance program. This works brilliantly in combination with our physio-guided rehab, in which you can work one-to-one with your physio over 45 minutes in our functional gym or studio. This will help improve your strength, muscle balance, stability, and mobility. It will aid in preventing re-injury and lead to an overall improved performance. Our biomechanical assessment is included in all our physio bundles and subscriptions at no additional cost. Talk to your physio about when you will be ready to do your biomechanical assessment.